Okay, I had the opportunity to do a video on a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 series heavy-duty Cummins. And it's a four-wheel drive. And he's got fuels on it, 20-inch. He's got some Nito grapplers, and they're 33 12.5 20s. This is factory height, I believe. The only thing he's done to it, EGR delete, and it sounds really good. He's blacked out the windows, tinted the windshield. It's a really good looking truck. Nice bed cover on it. 2015. That's one good looking truck. Got the aftermarket rough country grill. I don't know, I'm assuming that's factory. Maybe not. You guys tell me, leave it in the comment. Is that his factory or his aftermarket hood? Fuels look good. You have to excuse my dog barking back in the background. You don't know what's going on over here. I'll have them started up for you here in a second. But that's what the 2015 looks like. I like that a lot. Looks kind of new. Okay, I'm gonna have them hit the remote, start it up. That sounds nice. A nice rumble. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see more car, truck videos. I usually do classic cars when I can. But my sidekick Chris came over for the company Christmas party and wanted to do a little video of his truck. And if you like Cummins, leave a comment, like, subscribe. Thanks, guys.